I got an EZGO gas car here that's backfiring. Whenever you let go of the gas, it wants to backfire out the exhaust.
It's leaking oil too, supposedly.
The first thing you want to do is on the carburetor. This is a Robbins engine, EZGO TXT. The first thing you want to do is on this idle screw here. Adjust it out. Make sure the carburetor's turned all the way out. That way the linkage is closing back. And you can see that one's closing back. If that don't do it, adjust it from your linkages in the back here. That's your throttle linkage there. But 9 out of 10 times you're gonna find out adjusting this throttle screw fixes the problem. If you adjust it on the back and it don't do it, you need to clean your carburetor out, probably running rich, needle sticking. Alright man, stay tuned for more videos.